75. Got the push rod in, got our booster in. I still have to tighten it down. Swap out this master with a fresh one, because this is yucky, as we already know. So get this apart, get the booster bolted down, bench bleed this on the car, and then we will be ready to test drive here in a little bit. All of our electrical connections plugged back in from removing the booster, so we're going to get the master all done up front, and then I want to replace the fuse. See, it's blowing it up. Master mounted. Gonna bleed it, hook her up, and we are done. Fluid's in, cap on, and we're gonna work it. So I've made a bunch of these hardline fittings, because it works a lot better than the silly little plugs. But I always do the plugs first. They definitely work better than these stupid things, because these never work. So these have the actual right flare, the right diameter tube, with the right size fitting. I've already ran it a few times, so I'm hitting it again, but I can actually watch them. As I actuate the pedal, you see the air, and then see it sucks it. Look at that. And that's how we bleed them in the car. So much better. Hooked up. That's the pedal. Brakes are nice. Let's go see what it's like here inside. We'll go for a cruise here in a little bit. We got some small things to do. Car's in gear. Oh yeah. We stopping, baby. Okay, we're gonna fix that radio real quick. Check that air. Go from there. What the hell's wrong with the seat? The door locks aren't working either. Alright, assuming it's probably the same as the radio. Driving the 75. Not too shabby. Brakes work great. I'll go get some speed up and see if I can get the cruise control to function. Cruise on. Nope. Can't get the cruise to work. Oh, there it goes. We're cruising. The cruise is on.